Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here for a few quick minutes and go through step one with you for investing one-on-one with Financial Fitness with Danny. So the first step is to open up a brokerage account. But you might be asking, what is a brokerage account? It is a financial account that allows investors to buy and sell investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. So it's simply the vehicle in which you're going to use to invest. Your next question may be, well, which one do I use to start with? So I'm just going to show you the ones that I own, guys. Let me start off by saying, disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going through my accounts with you and showing you what I do. So that being said, these are the main brokerage accounts that I own. Right here at the top is Fidelity. This is the account I've had the longest because it's the account that I started my very first 401k with my former employer. So it's a good one. It's the one I've had the longest. I don't really have any gripes with it. The next one here is Vanguard. Vanguard is a must-have, guys. I just got this one maybe 2 years ago. But when I tell you it's a must-have, they have some really good ETFs in there, which we'll talk about more. But it just makes investing really, really easy. Vanguard does. So I highly recommend you open up a Vanguard account if you don't already have one. The next one here is Charles Schwab. This is the newest account that I've opened. So I'm actually going to be using this one to train with you guys. It seems to be very user friendly. I'm really liking what I see as I kind of go through there. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys first steps using Charles Schwab. And then E-Trade is another one I've had for a really long time. I'm on E-Trade daily because I use that account to do my trading. It's also a very good brokerage account to use. So yeah, these are the main ones that I have. Again, I highly suggest you get a Vanguard if you're just looking for the simple, easy place to start. I would say Vanguard, and then probably Charles Schwab would be the next one I would suggest. So, all right, so let's get started. All right, so to get started with Charles Schwab, you just want to go to their website and you will click open an account. Guys, it takes like 5 minutes to open up one of these accounts. It's very easy. You just enter your information. Trust me, it is safe. I know how we can be about sharing our information, but it's completely safe and it's what you got to do to get started. So you go here to Charles Schwab, you want to click on individual brokerage account. I'll go through in another video what these are. You know, your IRAs are your retirement accounts. But for this video, we're just clicking on the individual brokerage account. I'm not going to go through the steps because I've already opened my account, but just so you know, there's no money. You don't need anything to start the account, to open the account. You don't need any money. So you just want to enter all your information and open the account. Now, I've already done this, so all right, guys. So I'm going to log in to show you my account really quick. I recently opened this account with, you'll see right here, with $500. So again, you can start with any amount you want to. I say at least start with $20, but if you can, try to do like 100 or more. I started this one with $500. So once you open an account, you want to go to move money and you'll go to external accounts, and that's where you will link your bank account or whatever account you're going to use to transfer the money. Those are the first steps, guys. I just wanted to show you really quick. It's very simple. How to get started. We are going to start going over the next steps very soon. So your homework is open up a brokerage account. I gave you an example of a few of the accounts that I like and I recommend. Again, none of it is advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I've been doing. So open up a brokerage account and fund it. Start with at least $20. But if you can, maybe start with 100 or more and be ready for the next steps. All right, guys, I'll be back with more. Talk soon.